Hey everybody, in this video we have a broken IDN electric lever here, and I'm going to get the cylinder out of it and just throw the rest of it away. The rest of it's just trash, but the cylinder out so I can maybe send it to a locksmith person down the road or something. And to do this here, we're going to use the SC4 Lishis. I know these are going to be drilled 6. I don't know that it's pinned 6, but it's definitely going to be drilled 6. So if it winds up not having a 6th pin, it's okay. I can still use this Lishi and open it. And this is, instance here, to be 2 videos in a row. This would be easier to pick with it actually install on a door. These IDN ones here, I need to actually pick it going counterclockwise, which is kind of unusual, but that's the way this one's going to work here. So, applying tension, look for binders. And you got 1 binding, it's a nice little click. Okay, 2 is binding. We'll click on 2. Okay, 3 is springy, 4 is springy. Okay, 5 is actually binding. Click on 5. Okay, 6 is binding. So there is a pin 6 anyway. Doesn't want to pick here, so just leave it alone and come back to it. Okay, it's the only thing binding here, so I'm going to let off tension a little bit. Okay, and then we got to click out of it. There we go. Back through them all. Let's click on 3. Okay, 4 is binding. Click on 4, and we're actually open here. And then we can actually read it here and actually decode it and cut a key, but I don't care about making a key for it. The Locksport people don't need no keys. So what we'll do is just going to just pull the Lishi out. And since the cylinder is now turned, we can actually push the retainer in and pop it out. Like so. Let's see that it's picked here. And then from here I can actually just throw it in my pile of cylinders and eventually end up in a box and shipped off to somebody somewhere. So anyway, it's the SC4 Lishi just picking a lock. And I guess if you have any questions or comments, put them in the comments. And until next time, we'll talk to everybody later.